Need help with confidence against your fears as a Christian entrepreneur? Watch this. Now, what you're seeing today is a former shy guy, but back in high school and even after high school, fear, anxiety, and holy cousins had a hold on me. My picture was the one right next to the shy in the dictionary, remember? Only I got on glasses now. See? Remember? I know. See, but even in high school, there were times when we had assignments, especially the assignments, when you had to actually read your essay or read your assignment in the front of the class. I used to pray that the bell would ring so I didn't have my turn. Now, let me tell you the truth now. God didn't answer all them prayers. But anyway, I've grown in confidence through my faith in God, and God has helped me to step into my identity and go after my dreams. I want to be able to help people like you, even through what I have experienced and what God has actually done in me. Now He's getting ready to do some things through me. Now, if you need any help for fear, I'm right here. Now, right after this video, you could check my profile for my Fear of Failure workshop. But before I go, if you see me for the first time, I'm James Edgecombe, and I create digital products and workshops for Christian entrepreneurs and business owners to help them in the area of spiritual growth and personal development. So what that means is I help motivate you to become more effective and profitable so you can live out your dreams. Now go ahead and check out my profile for more details on my latest workshops. Follow for more and fear not.